In this video I would like to present our new scope macro and show how to design this with our SpiderControl HMI editor. This scope macro is able to display an array of X and Y pairs from an array. The array could have the form like described here. So we have a consecutive index from 1 to 10 with the two member variables X and Y showing the position at a certain point. So the presented data is visible in this test array. So we have a base for X and Y on the left and right, as well as the information on the length of this array. So we have 10 elements here, and the macro will go through this length. How do we program this? We have here with our SpiderControl HMI editor project started. We will open the new macro gallery dialog, and we will go to the Oscilloscope section, and we'll just enter this object. So this will open the configuration dialog, which allows us to first define the description of the axis, so how many digits will it show. Then we have to define the minimum and the maximum of the X and Y axis, so where starts it and where ends it. We have the unit where you have to enter exactly the same thing. Then comes the variable which shows the size of the array. This can be a variable which comes from the PLC. It could also be a constant if the size of your array does not change during runtime. And so this is the designation of the variable, which could look like this. So it starts with the element 1, and we now have to insert at the position where the first element is shown. We have to add this designation at plus at cof, exactly as indicated here. So this allows the runtime to know where in the array to add the offset to go through the complete length of all the data that you would like to show. You have to do the same thing for the Y array. The array does not necessarily have to have this structure. You can also have two independent consecutive arrays for X and Y.